With Visvim's Fall 2024 collection finally releasing, I thought it'd be a good time to go over some of my favorite pickups from Fall/Winter 2023. Welcome back everyone to the Visvim Pioneer channel. My name is Brian and today we'll be focusing on two pieces from Fall/Winter 2023 that I think are particularly special. So both of the jackets I'm going to be showing today I think are some of the strongest pieces from Visvim's last collection. I ordered both of these jackets from Visvim's trunk show in January 2023 and I believe they released around the October-November timeframe of last year. So the first jacket I'll be showing is the Thorson Crash jacket. I personally picked up the navy colorway. It turns out that this is the more sought after color from everything they released. This jacket also came in a black and an olive green. When I first saw pictures of this jacket on Visvim's Instagram as they were prepping for the trunk show, I knew that this was one of the pieces that I wanted to pick up from that drop. So this jacket is full of details. It's been mud dyed. It has the crash effect throughout, and I can't wait to show you guys some of these details up close. So here's a close-up of the Thorson Crash jacket in navy from Visvim's Fall/Winter 2023 collection. One of my personal favorite details from this jacket is the dead stock crown zippers that were used. I believe that's one of the reasons these jackets are a little bit rarer. The green fabric on the zipper also adds a nice contrast against the blue. I also like that the hardware on this jacket is an antique silver. It definitely makes it feel like it's a vintage bomber. Getting up close with some of the crash detailing here, as you can see, there's portions of this jacket that have been repaired. Another nice crash effect can be found on the sleeve of the jacket. And right above that, you have another zipper with pockets for a pen or cigarettes right next to it. It's little details like this that really make this jacket stand out. More crash detailing can be found there. So the back of the jacket doesn't have as much crash detailing, but there is a little piece that's been repaired towards the shoulder. While this version of the Thorson isn't reversible, it's important to note that this iteration does have an interior chest pocket. The lining is also composed of a nylon. This one's kind of like a grayish purple in hue. The fabric from the crown zipper kind of has like a herringbone effect and it's pretty cool to look at. So this jacket is filled with a polyester, wool, and rayon blend. The ribbing is wool, linen, and nylon. And honestly, this camera doesn't do this jacket justice. This is one of those pieces that you have to see in person to truly appreciate the different textures and color variations seen throughout the garment. This jacket also has tremendous detail and it's honestly one of my favorite pickups from last year. So this is the Gavin jacket from Fall/Winter 2023. While the Thorson jacket might be the more popular jacket between the two jackets I'm showing today, I believe that the Gavin jacket was actually the better release. This is my personal favorite pickup from last year. It's also received the full Visvim treatment. You have the crash detailing throughout. You also have the mud dyeing effect that gives the nylon a very nice matte finish. This jacket also came in 3 colors similar to the Thorson. It dropped in a navy, a black, and this olive colorway. I personally decided to pick up this olive color just because I had already gotten the navy color in the Thorson. But what's cool about ordering these jackets at the trunk show is that you get a wooden hanger and you also get a garment bag that you can use to either store the jacket or use it when you're traveling. So this jacket really deserves a close look up and I'll be showing you guys all the details very soon. So next we are looking at the Gavin jacket. This is personally one of my favorite releases from last year. Much like the Thorson, this jacket also came in 3 colorways, this olive, a navy, and a black. But as previously mentioned, because I picked up the Thorson in navy, I decided to get this one in olive. Like the Thorson, this jacket has received the mud dye treatment as well, so the nylon has a lot more of a matte finish versus a shiny effect. Here we're looking at some of the crash details on the body as well as on the sleeve. What I really like about this piece as well is that it received vintage dead stock talon zippers. This is a style of jacket that I think Visvim is very good at recreating. It's clear to see the military influence in this jacket, and much like the Strabbler, this also has a little bit of motorcycle influence. The patch on the chest is really cool as well. These colors are kind of muted due to the mud dyeing effect. The custom bone buttons are also a nice touch, and I like the fact that they're brown and kind of blend in with the body of the jacket. There's also a 2-button adjuster on the sleeve if you want to wear it tighter or looser. I personally leave it on the loosest setting so that I can layer pieces underneath. So this jacket does come with adjusters at the waistline on the back in case you want a tighter fit. Much like the Thorson jacket, this Gavin jacket has like a sun dye effect where the shoulders are a lot lighter than the rest of the body. For added versatility, this jacket also does have an interior chest pocket. While the exterior of the jacket is composed of nylon, the interior is composed of a wool linen pile blend. The pile of the jacket is also very thick, so if you run your fingers through it, you'll be able to see some different shades.
Don't listen to me. Hey, put your hand there, just touch the furry wall. Stay with me, be calm, just stroke the furry wall. With the furry wall.
One of the details that I appreciate is the rayon sleeve. I feel that if it would have been a wool pile like the rest of the body, the sleeves might have felt a little too bulky. So much like the Thorson jacket, this Gavin jacket was a FIL exclusive, which basically means that if you were here in the US, you could only purchase it through Visvim. I hope you all enjoyed the in-depth look of the Thorson jacket as well as the Gavin jacket. These two pieces were some of my favorite releases from last year, especially the Gavin, and I haven't seen a lot of content on the Gavin. I think the Gavin jacket is one of my more recent favorite silhouettes from Visvim. It honestly hasn't gotten the love or the attention that it deserves. I think much like the Rodney jacket, this one is going to be one of those classic Visvim silhouettes that will be sought after and appreciated, you know, the further we are into the future. The details and finishes on both of these pieces are honestly really impressive, and I'm just glad that I'm able to own them both. I can't wait till the weather cools down enough for me to be able to truly enjoy them. With that being said, thank you all again for tuning in. I would really appreciate it if you could like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions on these particular pieces or anything that you've seen on the channel, please feel free to ask and leave a comment. I respond to everything, and I love talking Visvim with you guys. So until next time, thank you for tuning in. Peace.